And this ukulele play along video, that's right, play along. All we're going to do is play the great, fantastic song, Leonard Cohen's Hallelujah. 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 Welcome to Uke Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here. In this video, this is just going to be the play along. I'm not going to teach the chords, the rhythm, or anything. I do have another video for that. This one, in just a minute, we're going to play with the fantastic backing track, killer backing track that we have. But anyway, thanks for being here. If you're new to the channel, we do ukulele tutorials, play alongs, reviews, challenges, giveaways, all that kind of stuff. Make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell notification. If you want a tutorial, if you need help with the chords, if you need help with this rhythm, this is in 12/8. I do have a separate tutorial for that. And also, if you want the backing track and the sheet music that I'm using right here, I'll put a link of that below and you can go get that. So other than that, I'm going to be playing my Koloha. I have a low G on mine. If you have high G, that's fine. Doesn't matter if you have soprano, concert, tenor, high G, low G. It will work for this particular song. And by the way, if you like this ukulele, Kolohas, make sure to check them out over at my store. That's the #1 store online, store.ukelikethepros.com. Are you ready? Let's go ahead and play along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now there's a secret chord that David played and he pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the 4th, the 5th, the minor fall, and the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah. 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 Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. 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 You say I took his name in vain. I don't even know his name, but if I did, well, really, what's it to you? There's a blaze of light in every word. It doesn't matter which you heard, the holy or the broken. Hallelujah. 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 All right, so how did you do? Leave a comment below. 1 being you need some work. Maybe the rhythm's hard. Maybe the chords are hard. 5 being the chords, you got them, you got the rhythm, and you also can sing along with this. So leave a comment below. I'd love to see how you're doing with this. Again, if you need help with this song, I have a full tutorial of this particular song. And also, if you want the sheet music and all that kind of stuff, we'll put a link. Go sign up for that. Totally free. Once you sign up, you'll get all this stuff, and it'll help you play along with that. So anyway, thanks for being here. If you dig what we're doing here, make sure to check out ukelikethepros.com. We have a fantastic premium membership. We got courses. We got some free stuff. But anyway, just come up and be a part of the You Collect the Pros Nation. You won't regret it. So that's going to do it for this one. Thank you for all your support, and we'll see you in the next one.